Hello, this is Smartphone Business Com at Mobile World Congress, and we're here with
Brett Stevens. I'm the Chief Technology Officer for NetComm, which is an Australian company. We've been around for 27 years in the mobile networking, ADSL, broadband solutions arena. That's what we've been. And we're very, very proud to be on the show today. Thank you very much for your time.
And what are you presenting here?
I'd like to talk about a brand new device which NetComm has released. It's called the NetComm MyZone, and it is a portable pocket 3G router which allows you to share a 3G connection to the internet, or an HSPA or HSPA plus connection to the internet wirelessly with multiple devices. So if you have a laptop or a smartphone or an iPhone or any handheld device which has got Wi-Fi access, and you want to share that with get onto the internet, you can use the MyZone to access. It's very similar to other devices which are on the market, but we've got some smarts in our device which is different to the others.
What would you say make it unique?
Unique features is probably the number one feature is the end user experience in terms of a plug and play experience. The minute you take this device and insert any SIM card in the world, we automatically find out what the network is that you are connected to, and then we configure the device to access that network. So there's no end user logging into a website or trying to configure the device itself. So that's one of the main features. The other features is the battery life. The battery life's superb. We get anything between 6 and 8 hours of use. So typically with a laptop or another device, you normally find that is your battery life is for a single charge. So in terms of providing access to the internet for a full day's work, this is a perfect device.
What's the price?
The recommended retail price, if you're buying this in a store, is anything between $250 and $300 US. But to be honest with you, we are obviously going to be targeting the carriers for this sort of device, and we should be launching this in the next coming months with some carriers around the world.
What are your expectations for this year, so?
My expectations for this product, or for our entire line of products, is this is going to be a 7.2 device. The next device is going to be a 21 megabit per second device, which is HSPA plus. And then looking at around August time frame this year, we'll be launching a 42 megabit per second device for some carriers around the world who are launching 42 megabit per second networks.
Okay, and how do you see the atmosphere here at the Congress?
Absolutely brilliant. I mean, this is, in terms of a show for NetComm, this is the most important show for us in our calendar year. We've been here, this is our 4th year that we've been at the show, and we've certainly seen a lot of interest from the people that we get here. Mostly we get carriers who come and visit us, and the quality of the people that come to the show is the best for us.
Do you have any highlights already? Have you seen something very, very interesting?
Yeah, I suppose the highlights for me personally has been I've been very interested in the launch of the latest Android phone, and I think that the move by Google to move into 3G networks in terms of providing backhaul is another very interesting proposition. I think seeing Google move into that space has been a bit of a shock to the whole industry. So seeing that's been interesting, and I think those are the two highlights for me.
Okay, so thank you very much for the conversation.
Excellent. Thank you for your time.
Thank you.